Alright guys, we got another car here. You got a car here, customer state the battery to stay on, and the battery got drained out because the alternator is not charging. So we're gonna try to duplicate the problem now. Let's check it out. Let's see. Alright, the battery lights stay on. Let's find out. Yup, the battery stay on, guys. Check it out. See that? Stay on. Let's check if it's charging or not. So definitely it's gonna kill the battery. So seems like the alternator is bad. We're gonna try to replace it, guys. Check it out. I mean, we charged the battery and we're gonna change the alternator now. You see like the alternator is not charging correctly. First thing we gotta do, remove the wheel. We gotta remove this wheel right here, guys. Check it out. So now we're gonna try and remove this cover right here so we get to the belt. Yep. So we have to remove this, remove that. So we have to get to here to disconnect the belt so we get to the alternator. All right, check it out. All right, we're gonna remove this one. Yep, on the side. Now we're gonna remove this belt with the 3/8. We gotta remove this belt so we could get the alternator. Yep, check it out, guys. Remove this. We gotta go this way and slide this off. Yep, just like that, guys. Check it out. All right, we get this off. Remove it. Yep, take 3/8. So we gotta move that one, and we're gonna move the belt from here. And then we're gonna drop this. We're gonna move this right here, guys. We gotta remove this and remove this bracket. All right, after remove this, drop down. Yep, and this one come right up. And put this on the side. And then we're gonna remove this one right there. This ABS wire, and so you won't get damaged. Yep, take that out. Check it out. All right, we got this removed. We got that bolt out. And we got this one too. So we got both of them out. We got a handle, and then we're gonna remove this one right there, that one, and also this one. Yep, check it out, guys. All right, we got this out. Take it out. Yep, it's from the side. This one, take it off. So we just gotta push it. Get this off, just like that, guys. Push it the same way. That's it. So I'll put it on the side. Then next, slide this down. Make sure we slide this end around because you're gonna damage it if you don't. You don't want the ABS line, the ABS wire get damaged. Put this on the side. Make sure you put it back in the way it's supposed to be. So now you push the axle in. After you push the axle in, and we gotta remove that little bolt right there. There's a 13mm bolt. Yep. Alright, remove the 2 bolt right there, which is this two right here, guys. 2 bolt. There was a 2 bolt holding that axle. So we're gonna slide the axle out. Oop. Just like that, guys. Now we are getting closer. Now we have to do, we're gonna remove the wire from the alternator. Yep, see right there. Remove the wire. And then we're gonna remove this one, the 13mm bolt, another 13, and the other one on top. So we're gonna remove that with the 13mm. Yep, check it out. We remove the bolt from the top from here, and also from the bottom from here. So which is this two right here. Yep. So we're gonna move right there. There's one room right there. See, we just gotta remove it out. Now we're gonna we're gonna drop this down. Yep, check it out. All right, now we're gonna remove this pigtail Peak oil right there, guys. This one right here. We gotta remove the main power from the alternator. Use the 10 millimeter. Yep, just like that, guys. That's it. Just get that out right there. Just put them right there. Then all you do, remove that one right there. After you do that, make sure you put this on the side for now, just because we have to remove this bracket. This bracket right here gotta come out. This whole bracket, you got 10 millimeter, you get about 3 bolts. So we're gonna remove that one. Check it out. All right, man. We got this one right here. We got 3 bolts. Remove this bad boy. See, it's 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Then we gotta pull this bracket out. Yep. So brackets go 1, 2, 3. Then we gotta remove this bad boy. We gotta remove this alternator down. We just got a way to remove this. You gotta be angle. You just gotta angle it. Like that, just like that, guys. This up like that, this down. So it's like this. Pull them out. Yep. That's how I remove the alternator on this one. Yep, just like that, guys. So this alternator here is D-pack. So we're gonna replace it with the new one. Actually, we're gonna get it. We put a reman, so we're gonna get the brand new instead of reman. Yep, because this one right here is D-pack. It's not charging, so we're gonna put a new one in it and hopefully we'll fix it. Check it out. Alright, we got the new one in there. We got the new the main 12 volts wire connected. Now we're gonna put the bracket back. Yep, we're gonna put it back in there. The way it's supposed to be like this. Yep, just like that, guys. Alright guys, we got this one here, boom boom boom. We got the axle in, we get the alternator socket, we get the CV axle, get the line, everything, the wire, axle bolt. You gotta put